Hey guys, first of all, welcome to PyTroops family. We really hope you all are doing great. In today's tutorial, we are going to be learning how to convert a GUI application to executable file in Python using cxfreeze. So let's get started. So the process is pretty simple. All you have to do is just to go to the particular folder that has your GUI application. Like me, I'm gonna just run it, and it's my GUI application, as you can see, like that. Okay, so after that I'm gonna go to that particular repository. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, and go to PyQt5 here. After that I'm gonna go to setup.py file, and just gonna copy the code and create a new file and paste the code here and save it as setup.py. Now you can see here I have this code here which I just pasted, and I'm gonna just give it a name of my GUI application, which is file.py, and as you can see, and Control S, save it. Now you have to make sure that you have installed cxfreeze and PyQt5 in your PC. I'm gonna just shift plus right click and open command prompt here, and type pip install cxfreeze. I have to make sure that I have already installed it. So yes, I have already installed it. Now I'm gonna run this command here, python setup.py and build. After that it will take some time, and it will convert your py file to exe file. And you can just run your GUI application by executing it. You can also, if you are working on a paid project, you can also deliver your GUI application. You will not deliver your GUI application in a form of .py file. Hey, you can just run it by installing Python and etc libraries. You have to convert into exe file and then deliver your project. So user can be a layman, so he will be running it by just double click it. So it would be really helpful for you and your customer or client that you will deliver exe file. So now, as you can see, it has created this folder in that particular folder. So I'm going to just go to that, and this file.exe file, as you all know, my Python file has name file.py, and now it is converted into exe. I am just going to double click it and run it, and as you can see, my Python script is converted into executable file. So yeah, that's pretty much of it. So we hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you face any difficulty converting .py file to .exe file, kindly comment down your queries, and you can also message us on Facebook and Instagram. We will surely respond you back. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Stay tuned and be productive.